Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today I've got a full face of makeup on but no eye makeup, and that is because a company this morning sent me these eye products. Now they're called Eye Magic and it says professional eyes in just 10 seconds. So it doesn't really come with any instructions, but it says it's meant to just give you eyeshadow. It's got 3 colours here and you just press it on, I assume, and you take it off and there you go. So I have looked at the packaging, doesn't have any instructions on it. They've sent me 3 of these and they also sent me an eyeliner. So we're going to do the eye makeup today and see how this turns out. You know, you never know if it turns out well. This is a really, really quick makeup routine, but if it doesn't, well, at least we've got a video out of it. So if you want to see how these turn out and if they're any good, then carry on watching and enjoy the video. So the ones they've sent me is this one, which is, I assume, like a, this one, oh, they also shimmer eyeshadow, so they're all shimmers. This one is like black, grey and white, so this is like a smoky eye. We've got this one, which are 3 shades of brown, so this one would be like a bronzy eye, and this one is green, blue, and it's like an orangey nude tone. It's really weird colours to go together. I think I'm going to try this one just because it's the most colourful and it'll be interesting to see what it looks like. Oh, it says here, just press slide 2mm and go. Use the applicator to blend. See 10-second tutorial online. I'm going to have a look at the tutorial online quickly just to make sure that I'm doing it right. So let's have a look. magicbeauty.com. Oh, here they are. Their website looks quite good actually. They're $7.80 each for a pack, and it comes with, I think, 5 applicator pairs in there, so that's pretty good price for money if it actually works. Right, so the video doesn't play, which is good. Oh, they've got a whole section on how to apply. Step 1. Press the Eye Magic applicator firmly to the base of the eyelid for approximately 4 seconds. Slide the applicator across your lid in the approximate direction to get a sharp look. Use the tip of the applicator or your finger to blend. For a stronger look, repeat steps 1 and 2. Okay, let's just give it a go. So we're going to use this colourful one. Let me open it up. And then we'll use that eyeliner as well and see how that works. So it looks like this. Okay. I just don't understand how it will work. So this is what it looks like, one of these. So I guess I'll push it on my eyelid for 4 seconds, drag it out, then it's done. And then blend with my finger if I need to. Okay. I mean, how can they do this so it fits everybody's shape? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then smudge out. Right. Okay. If you just want to have a closer look at that one, just to see how well that's applied. Stunning. So let's try that again. So it says for a more intense look, try it again. So I don't know if I'm messing this up, but there's none in the inner corner, so I'm pushing that bit down a bit more, but Jesus, I'm going to push my eyeball out in a minute. In about 4 seconds and smudge. That's a little, it's a little bit better. It says use the end of the applicator to blend it, so let's just blend it in. I mean, I wouldn't buy it. I would not spend my money on this. But that cut crease looks pretty good actually. Let's try the other eye, shall we, and see how that goes. So the same again, maybe I'll push down in the inner corner a little bit more this time. Like this, maybe it was my own fault. Give it a couple of seconds. I mean, my eyes, I can barely see out of them now. I wear glasses as it is. And then smudge out. Well, now they're uneven, and it always brings up that gap. We blend it out with the end of the applicator. It's definitely not very pigmented, I will say that. Let me just push it down again. And I'll do the second time just like I did on this side to make sure they're even. I mean, it's a good concept, but it's just really not working for me, I'm afraid. I wouldn't really go out with this eye makeup on, personally. Right, let's have a... I can't see out of any of my eyes now because I've pushed down too hard on them. Okay, let my eyes readjust. I mean, from far away, no, from far away this isn't okay. The cut crease does look good. I mean, the light X shade on the top matches, kind of blends in with my foundation. So it does just look kind of like the green and the blue. It's just not pigmented, it's kind of patchy. I don't like it. But, you know, for some people who don't do makeup, this might be alright, you know? It might be quite nice just to easy applicate it. I might try a smoky eye one as well to see. I'm interested to see how that would look, because that might look okay. So I'm going to just zoom in on this eye as well, just so you can see what they both look like. So this is both of them. I don't know what you're thinking. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this, because I'm sure there'll be mixed opinions. Some people might like it, but I'm not a fan. I don't like that it goes all the way out there. That might be my fault for dragging it. But let's try. I'm going to take it off and try the smoky eye. Then we'll try the eyeliner and see what that's looking like. So let's try the smoky eye one. So that's this one here. I don't know if they have like shades. Oh yeah, so this is shade 001. This is smoky eyes. The one we've just used is shade 14. So let's take this one out. So again, it looks like this. It just, even in this, it just doesn't look very pigmented, but let's give this one a go. So pop it on the eye like this. So if you do get these, I would just recommend pushing in the inner corner, because obviously when I first did it, it didn't get the inner corner part. So that's been about 4 seconds, and then just drag it out.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh no. I mean, the pigment's there, but what's that? That's so bad. I wish I didn't even try this one now, because the other one looked lovely compared to this. So let's just do the other one just to see if this one goes any better. It is a bit annoying because it does make my eyes, I don't know if it's just me because I wear glasses, but it hurts my eyes when I'm doing it. God, that's so bad. That's even worse than the other one. There's like no fixing this. It goes out like this. And I mean, you can use this end bit to blend it, I guess. Oh God. You can blend it, but then you've also got to sort all that out. This is horrid. I'm going to try and make it look nice just so that I don't look like a mess for the video. So now I'm going to just clean up this part. Clean up the edges because that is not cute. I am not looking okay right now. I'm gonna be honest and say this is not the look I was going for. I had some better hope for this one, to be honest, because the other one didn't look too bad. I've changed my opinion a little bit because I've seen this one and this one's terrible. So I'm just gonna blend it out on the sides. But you know, this is quick. This is not as quick as just applying it normally now, because I'm having to fiddle around, remove edges. So like, oh my God, it looks so bad. Let me zoom you in. Oh, I hate it, it's so bad. Right, okay, let's just move on. I've tried saving it. Nothing's happening here to save this. It's not gonna be saved. So let's try the eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner. It says, what's magic about our eyeliner? Smooth gliding. Eyes are delicate areas. The less pressed, the better. Tell me about it. I just pressed on that bloody sponge. So we use non-toxic pigment blended with moisturising ingredients to glide, smooth and accuracy. Okay. Oh, it comes with this sticker on it. It's from Thailand, it says. Okay, so it looks like this, just kind of like a normal eyeliner pencil. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was a liquid eyeliner, but it looks like this, like it's kind of a, I don't know if you can see. It's kind of like, I guess it's a pencil, I'm not really sure. Let me test it out. It's the weirdest consistency. It's like Yeah, I guess it's like a pencil, but it does feel really smooth. So I mean, it's quite a thick applicator, and I like my eyeliner really thin, so I don't know how this is gonna... Oh, right. Yeah, this is horrid. I mean, I don't want this to be a negative video, but... Oh. It is not it's not smooth gliding at all. I can barely glide it on my lid, look. Oh. Oh, you know, I'm giving up. I think I'm giving up. I'm gonna just put some lovely eyeliner on the other side. The problem is with this is that, oh god, it's so hard to applicate. It's so hard. I'm gonna have to drag my eye out. My problem with this is that it says specifically this has got moisturising products in, so it's easy glide, you know, and this is not, it's not easily gliding on my skin. It's not doing that at all. Oh, okay. If you like these products, then you go get yourself some and you let me know. Maybe some of you have tried them before and it's worked, but for me, this is not working. I'm going to put some mascara on. See if that will fix the look. I'm not even going to bother putting eyelashes on because there's like no point. Do you know what they call this look? Hot mess. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is kind of the end. I'm not even going to bother trying the brown ones because I'm sure it will look just as nice as this one. I mean, I would probably recommend these if you're going to get any, and this is the shade 14, which is what I use. I just had the impression, you know, from this professional eyes in 10 seconds, and I don't know what professional is doing this, but not a fan. But these are cruelty free, you know, and they're recyclable and everything like that, so that is good. It says the benefits are hygienic, easy to use, professional results, yep, long lasting, non-stretching of eyelid, beauty on the go. I mean, it was stretching on the eyelid because I had to pull it out. I don't know, I'm not a fan. I mean, this is definitely not going to be used again by me, unless maybe it's like a challenge video or something like that, but I don't know what to do. I mean, I could give away this, but does anyone want it? Probably not. I could give it to my little sister. She'll appreciate it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and just press the bell icon for notifications for when I upload new videos in the future. This was kind of a short one, but we tested it out. Did not work. Not a problem. See you next time. Bye guys.